Governing vessel 25 is located on the tip of your nose, right here. Activate this point by rubbing the ear quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, you can gently stimulate it like this. As with any point on your face, a light touch is best. With the Tei Shin, if you are depressing the spring, you're definitely pushing too hard. The correct pressure would be like this. During or shortly after stimulating governing vessel 25, you may notice a sensation of heat or energy in your face, head, neck, or back. This is normal and therapeutic.